Wire strippers are essential tools in the realm of electrical work and DIY projects, designed to simplify the process of removing insulation from electrical wires. These handheld devices feature sharp jaws or blades that enable users to precisely cut and strip the outer covering of wires, exposing the conductive metal underneath. By providing a controlled and efficient means of stripping insulation, wire strippers contribute to the safety and accuracy of electrical connections. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best wire strippers you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Klein Tools 11055 Wire Cutter. The Klein Tools 11055 wire cutter is sturdy, lightweight tool, cuts and strips copper solid 10 to 18 AWG wire and copper stranded 12 to 20 AWG wire, meaning you can use it for just about any wiring project around your home. This is a gauged wire stripper, and it has clearly marked, highly precise notches to hold the wires while being stripped, cut, or looped, leaving you with clean results. Not only that, its long, serrated nose makes it easy to bend, shape, or pull copper wires. It has a cutter for 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws, allowing you to shear these fasteners without too much strain or stress. You'll appreciate the wire stripper's spring-loaded action, which makes it easier to use the tool with one hand without fatigue or effort. Plus, the handles are double-dipped in a soft, rubbery material that gives you a very comfortable non-slip grip even on long work days. Number 6. KNIPEX Tools 13728. The KNIPEX Tools 13728 is quite compact, measuring about only 8 inches in length. It can fit in any toolkit very easily. At the top, it boasts a plier followed by the wire stripping section. Coming down, it also has a wire cutter and crimping section followed by 2 screw cutters compatible to cut 8 to 32 and 6 to 32 screws. The tool is highly useful and versatile as it can strip both solid and stranded wires of 10 to 20 AWG without any hassle. Wire locating ridges make it easy to find stripping holes. Cutting blades are designed to cut individual wires, NMB, BX/MC, and battery cable. Number 5. WGGE WG015. The WGGE WG015 to cut, strip, or loop copper 10 to 22 AWG solid or stranded wire as well as 0.6 mm to 2.0 mm aluminum cables. Plus, the serrated nose is ideal for bending, pulling, or shaping wire, and you can also use the wire stripper to crimp wires. It can also cut screws sized 6 to 32, 8 to 32, 10 to 32, 4 to 40, 10 to 24, and 5 to 40. High carbon alloy steel with precise bladed holes for specific gauges of wire. At a little over 9 inches, the handle is long enough for a good grip, but not so long that you won't be able to fit it in your toolbox. The wire stripper weighs only 8 ounces. It does not have a spring, but is still easy to open and close, even with one hand. Number 4. KNIPEX 10 to 24 AWG Automatic Wire Stripper. The KNIPEX 10 to 24 AWG Automatic Wire Stripper self-adjusts to just the right size and pressure for stripping wire without fraying, nicking, or slicing into the conductor itself. There's a strip stop setting of 6.0 to 18.0 mm so you can replicate the exact length that is stripped each and every time. It also cuts copper or aluminum wire up to 2.5 mm superscript 2. This is the only way to justify our claim that we are the best supplier in terms of quality, innovation, and efficiency. It's designed with a narrow head that easily reaches into tight spots, and the handle is comfortable and easy to grip. The tool weighs less than half a pound, is just over 7 inches in length, so it won't take up too much room in your toolbox. Number 3. IRWIN 207-8309. The IRWIN 207-8309 uses it to cut, crimp, or strip solid or stranded 10 to 22 AWG wires. You can also use it to loop or pull wire, all without damage to the internal conductors of the wire. It also cleanly cuts bolt sizes 6 to 32, 8 to 32, 10 to 32, 5 to 40, 10 to 24, and 4 to 40. All cutting edges of the tool are induction hardened, meaning it will stay sharp and accurate through use after use after use. At 8.5 inches, this tool is long enough to hold securely, as well as reach into tight spots. This handy tool features a pliers nose for pulling and looping wire and product grips for maximum comfort and reduced hand fatigue to keep working all day. Number 2. DOWELL 10 to 22 AWG Wire Stripper Cutter. The DOWELL 10 to 22 AWG Wire Stripper Cutter extremely reasonably priced wire stripper handles copper and aluminum solid or stranded wires that are between 10 and 22 AWG. Plus, it makes clean cuts across wires without leaving any ragged edges. The spring makes it easy to use these wire strippers with one hand. Just insert your wire, squeeze, and pull. And at 7 inches in length and just a little more than 4 ounces, this compact and light tool is ideal to carry in your pocket or on your tool belt. While some high-end wire strippers may be expensive, this wire stripper is reasonably priced. This makes it a must-have tool for many people, with a long lifespan that provides great value for money. Number 1. IRWIN 207-8300. The IRWIN 207-8300 takes the guesswork out of stripping wire. Just insert your wire into the jaws, squeeze, and voila! Perfect stripped wire without a bit of effort on your part. You can strip insulated wires that are 10 to 24 AWG, and cut or crimp insulated or non-insulated wires as well. There's also a stop setting to control the length of your strips. Note that for 22 or 24 AWG wires, there's a micro-adjust knob for the most precise performance in stripping these very thin wires. Like other vice grip products, the handles of these wire strippers are ergonomically designed with a product grip that minimizes fatigue. This is a very precise and easy-to-use wire stripper that lets you work quickly without having to bother adjusting the tool for wire size. The wire stripper is 8 inches long and weighs a little more than half a pound. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.